and install Python-3 in our system. Head to python.org downloads windows. I'll leave this link in the description. Scroll down to find the stable version. Scroll again and click on Windows Installer 64-bit. Once the file is ready, install it. Here, make sure you check this add python 3.9 to path, which means environment variable where we can access these executables anywhere across the file system in the Windows. Install now. Click yes. Once the installation is successful, close this window and go to command prompt and type Python. Hit enter. If you see this, then you have properly installed Python. Thank you for watching.